Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren Gamble. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Today, I'm going to be talking all about how you can start your own blog in literally 10 minutes flat. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so within the past couple years, I've been able to build my own blogs, and now I actually make tens of thousands of dollars just from my blogs alone. So I want to share with you today how you can go ahead and start your own blog. Okay, so blogging is such an awesome, convenient way to literally start a business from the comfort of your own home. I mean, let's be real, right now, I think a lot of us are even more eager to do this, but it's something that has allowed me at least to create something of my own, be my own boss. And while I'm doing it, I'm also doing something that I love, which is pretty awesome too, right? So the blog world, if you want to call it that, is honestly exploding, and it is full of really helpful content. You could pretty much find any type of information you want to on any blog any day of the week. And the crazy part is it literally can only take 10 minutes for you to create your own blog. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that, how to create your own self-hosting blog with your own .com address. So there's no fluff, no confusion, no games. I am right now going to show you how to start a blog without any technical skills because I didn't have any of those. Just literally follow what I'm about to tell you and start sharing your thoughts, your knowledge with the world in your own unique way. So don't be worried, you got this. I'm here to help. So let's go ahead and get started on making your footprint in this world via blogging. Number one, the first thing you need to do is choose a name and get web hosting. So a domain name is the term used for your website address. For example, Facebook's domain is facebook.com, right? So a hosting plan is what powers your website to be seen on the internet. Without it, no one will be able to see the valuable information that you have to share on your blog. So anyone who owns their own blog has to pay for their domain and hosting. The good news is it's not super expensive. I would actually recommend using bluehost.com, and I'll include all of these links in the description for you guys. So new accounts get a free domain with hosting that starts at as low as $2.95 a month. So $2.95 a month. Hosting is something that you don't want to skip out on. Cheaper services offer kind of poorer quality, loading time, and that can result in a lot of lost visitors on your blog. So I've been there, I've done that. Don't make that mistake. Your first step is to search for your own domain name. I personally would recommend, and I like .coms because they are easier to remember for your visitors. But you can try a tool that Bluehost has to see if your domain name is available first. And if it's not, you'll see some suggestions that it'll also suggest to you instead of that you might like, okay? So a little tip to go along with that first step there is to consider privacy protection. So when registering your domain, your information becomes public record. So if you want to hide the record, you'll want to select domain privacy protection when you get your domain, okay? So just a little, it's like I think an extra 99 cents a month, but it hides your address and your phone number from public records, okay? And here is number two. Once you have your domain, you will want to go ahead and install WordPress. So once you've signed up, you'll go ahead and you'll install WordPress on your website. Okay, so WordPress is a really simple blogging software that lets you create a blog with drag and drops and clicks and types. So when you are starting your blog, I would definitely recommend building it out with WordPress, okay? So if you sign up at bluehost.com, which I mentioned for your domain, then you'll have a one-click install button, which is another perk of Bluehost, to install WordPress. So if you log into your account and select the install WordPress icon on the website section, you'll just choose the do-it-yourself free version and click the install button from there, okay? And then you want to click on the check domain button from there, check the terms and conditions box, and then click install now. And then you'll go ahead and WordPress will be installed onto your domain. WordPress will automatically install and you'll be all set up literally with this in less than a minute, okay? Next, log in to Say Hello and the blogosphere, okay? So once the installation is done, click on View Credentials button. This is where you're going to get your secret login information so you can go ahead and start blogging. So copy your admin URL, username, and password and keep it in a safe place, okay? Don't worry, you can change your password the first time you log in if you want something easier to remember. I am also going to write a blog post with all of these different steps that give you links, so I will put that in the description below as well, so you can follow that blog post as well, okay? And then after that, you'll finally head over to your admin URL, enter your username, your password, and then you're ready to go. You're ready to start blogging. So you are officially the newest blogger. Welcome to a very special club where we have the power to literally influence the world, which is so awesome. Okay. Next step is to pick your theme. So the design of WordPress blogs run on themes, okay? And these themes work with the WordPress software that you already should have downloaded to create the graphics and layout that we see on our favorite blogs that you can have on your blog as well. So take a look at your new blog now by visiting your website URL, that domain that you purchased, and it might look something like very blank. It'll say like WordPress blog demo, hello world, like there will literally will be nothing on it. It'll be white and black and it's clean, but it lacks a lot of personality. So here's how you can access a whole slew of free themes, okay? Go into your WordPress dashboard and then go to Appearance, and then under Appearance, you're gonna go to Themes, all right? And then on the next page, you'll see all of your installed themes. You can search for new themes by clicking on the Add New section at the top of the page. And then from there, you'll go ahead and you'll choose a theme that you like best. If I was starting a food blog, I might want to choose the bakery theme. There's a bakery theme in there. You can just hover over the theme that you like and click the install button from there. But there are literally so many like themes that you can go ahead and get started with in that WordPress software, which is really cool. And then after a couple seconds, your theme will be installed into your website and you'll click the activate button to change your design to your new theme, okay? And then you'll go ahead and you can go to your URL and look at what your new theme looks like immediately, literally right after installing it, okay? So then you can tinker around in the settings until it's up to your liking, until it's pleasing to your eye. Every theme will have a unique set of settings. So you can customize most features by clicking on the Customize button in your theme settings, okay? The next step is to create your first blog post. This is probably the most exciting thing. So let's go ahead and stop with all of the settings, all of the setting up, and get to the blogging part, okay? That's why you're here. That's why you're watching this video. So this is a step where you're gonna create your very first blog post. So the first thing that you wanna do is click on Add New Post. That'll be on the left side of your screen. And you might notice that there's already one post inside called Hello World. And you can delete that one entirely, okay? Get rid of it. And then once you're inside, it's literally just like using your favorite document editor, whatever you use, WordPress, anything like that. You'll enter a title, you will add some images and your text, and then when you're ready, go ahead and hit the publish button. So you'll go ahead and publish and your blog post will be published to your website. So you can go ahead and you can take a look on your website what your blog post looks like, and you can kind of like tweak it and edit it from there. It is really honestly that easy. If you want a more advanced tutorial, I will put in the little cards here a video that you can watch, and this video will show you how to use like the advanced premium themes, so like paid themes, and I think it's like a 30-minute video, okay? So you pretty much are done at this point, okay? You've started your blog. That's what we're here for. That's what I'm here making this video to help you do. Hopefully these steps helped. I am so empowered to help other people start their own blog, and ultimately, if it is something that you want to create your own business, your own income, and be your own boss. So it has brought me a lot of joy having my blogs that I have myself. And if you know someone as well who maybe would get some great information from this video, maybe who wants to start their own blog, go ahead and share this video with them. Let me know in the comments anything that you guys want to know. If you have any questions, I will be answering all of them for you guys. So go ahead and start your blog right now. I'm so excited for you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.